Hi there, students. Elixir. An elixir. Okay, an elixir is a magic potion, a magic liquid that will do wonderful things. I think probably we use this word elixir mostly now to say something that tastes really nice, that's really special, that is a wonderful thing that makes things really nice. So the chocolate sauce that goes with my profiteroles is an elixir. It's absolutely delicious. Yeah, or I don't know. Yeah, I actually consider a little bit of sesame oil as an elixir to give an enhancement to the flavour of almost all food. Okay, so an elixir, a magic potion. Let's see. For many years, an elixir was something that the alchemists were looking for. The elixir, the elixir of life, the philosopher's stone. So the elixir that they were looking for would change base metals into gold and would give human beings eternal life. Yeah, so an elixir, or the elixir of the alchemists, is a cure-all, a panacea, something that will cure everything, or and also the same liquid will convert lead into gold. Now, clearly, nowadays we understand that such an elixir might not exist, and we also use this word, an elixir, talking about medicines. Yeah, an elixir is a liquid, normally with a sweet flavour, and it's normally got alcohol, and it's got different medicines or different types of thing inside it to make people feel better. So you could have an antihistaminic elixir, yeah, or a sedative elixir, or even just one for your cough, an expectorant elixir. But I think mostly for us nowadays, an elixir, something that tastes wonderful, yeah, a liquid that is has a wonderful taste, is something very special. So yeah, the whiskey was an absolute elixir. It was delicious. Yeah, they gave me the some of the brandy that they make at home, and this was clearly an elixir. So I'm using it metaphorically to say something that is really delicious. It's something that's special, a magical liquid. Yeah, something that has got a wonderful flavour. It's something very special. Yeah, but an elixir. So the elixir of life, the elixir of eternal youth, or an elixir, a syrup for a cough or something like that. A medicine. Okay, so an elixir. I guess the music was like an elixir to my ears. Yeah, I think if you're inventive, you can find all sorts of interesting ways of using this. I guess something, yeah, her beauty was an elixir to my tired eyes. The soup they gave me was an elixir for a hungry traveller. Okay, elixir, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. I was just thinking, yeah, a love elixir to make people fall in love with me. I should be so lucky. And then let's see the origin. This word comes from Latin, but it actually comes from Arabic. Al-Iksir, yeah, Al-Iksir, which is an elixir. Yeah, maybe that in itself came from ancient Greek, but we will see. So an elixir, a magical potion, yeah, the thing that the alchemists were looking for, the elixir of life. Yeah, the wine that you've given me is a pure elixir. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Elixir.